Good morning, students. Today I will teach you string formatting operator. String formatting operator. So string formatting operators, how to string formatting operator you can do means, there is a string operating, it is a one of the most existing feature of, it is one of the most existing feature in Python. So that is this formatting operator, what operator you can using means, that is a modulus operators. That is a modulus operators. It is used to construct the strings. What is a construct? Construct the string means it is a கட்டமைப்பு. Construct means what? That is நம்ம print பண்றது எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம இத வச்சு தான் நம்ம print பண்ணுவோம். இந்த modulus operator, that is a percentage symbols. Okay good sir, this is எப்படிங்க சார் பண்றது அப்படினா, for example ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் கொடுக்கிறேன். So clearly you can see that name is equal to Raja, double quotation finished. Then mark is equal to 98. Next print, I will print it. Print, then double quotation, name, colon, that is what? That is a percentage symbol S. Yes. And mark, colon, percentage D. Then double quotation finish. Now percentage bracket open, name comma mark, name comma mark, then close bracket. So sir, இங்க நான் s கொடுத்தது ஏன் அப்படினா, this is what? Name is string. Here d கொடுத்தது ஏன் அப்படினா, this is a number. So இங்க name print பண்ணும், இங்க நான் mark print பண்ணும். So இதுக்கு அடுத்தது என்னது? Format dollar symbol என்னத்த name print பண்ணும்? This is a both name இங்கேயும் mark இங்கேயும் print பண்ணும். ஸோ இதுக்கு சின்டெக்ஸ் எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா, முன்னாடி சின்டெக்ஸ் எழுதியிருக்கணும். சின்டெக்ஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு டபுள் கொட்டேஷன் ஸ்ட்ரிங், that is a print. Here you can print string to be display with variable 1, that is a before percentage symbol variable 1 and percentage symbol variable 2. Then what is this? Double quotation finish. Then after that what? Percentage symbol variable 1 comma variable 2. Then whole bracket closed. So this like you can display the strings. So this is called what? This is a strings, how to display in the variable. This is a syntax. So this syntax you can follow to this variable s, this variable this. So both variable commonly you can bracket open. So now you can output what will come means name colon Raja and marks colon 98. So this is a output. This is what? This is a output. This output only will come. So this is a this statement output this. Okay students, this is a formatting in the operators. So this formatting operators, what and all is there means, so this is a percentage S means string character, percentage D means integer, that is a short integer. Next dot C means character, dot C means character. Then if you printed unsigned number, unsigned number means U, that is a unsigned number, unsigned number. This is a unsigned numbers. So next, that is a percentage symbol O, that is a octal number. In case octal number print means, that is a percentage O. Next, percentage X or percentage capital X. This is a hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number you can print means this format you can use. Next, exponent symbol you means E or small big E. That is a exponent. That is a exponentially. Then sir, எனக்கு floating number வேணும், float F. So that is a floating number. Floating number. Next, percentage symbol G or percentage symbol G. This is a short number of floating points and exponential or exponential. That is a short number means what? Small number. Short numbers in floating. Floating number means, so these and all the formatting operators. The formatting operators, that is a designing purpose. Designing purpose of these operators. Okay, these operators, that is a designing operators, these and all used. Sir, next, these and all escape sequence operator. What is this? Escape sequence operator. Sir, escape sequence operator means what, sir? Escape sequence. Escape sequence operator means is nothing. These and all one of the designing purpose, that is interpreted in the different location to, that is a using the commas, these and all is there, no, that is and all using for this escape sequence operator. This escape sequence operator, it is a backslash you can using. Backslash. Sir, what is a backslash? What is a front slash, sir? How to identify, sir? So this is a, this like is there means backslash. This like is there means front slash. That is a front slash. Sir, how to identify means, you should write the V. You should write the V. V front slanting line is there, no, that is a backslash. This is what? This is a V second slanting line is there, no, that is a front slash. That is a front slash. So that is identify in the backslash and front slash. So now escape sequencer, this operator only you can use. That is a backslash. So backslash what and all there means, that is a many operators description is there. That is a slash new line means That is a backslash didn't come, one new line created. Then backslash backslash. Backslash backslash means one backslash didn't print, one backslash print. For example, see here, print Sendil. Sendil backslash backslash. I will double quotation open. Now what we'll do means, what output will coming means, see here, Sendil backslash. One backslash only printed. So that is escape sequence operator. Escape sequence operator. For example, slash single quotation. For example, here you can single quotation you want means, see here one single quotation you want means backslash then single quotation. Single quotation means, so output this. So single quotation will come, but backslash didn't come. So if you want me designing purpose, so this is your book, many examples is there, so many examples is there, just I will teach you. Okay, see here, next I will teach you backslash double quotation. Backslash double quotation. Next you want double quotation means this. Next slash a. If you a give it means, see here, bell sound will come. Sir, I will here in between I will q slash a. 2 times I give it means, the 2 times Sendil after print means, that is what is this? That is not printed, but bell sound will come. That is a bell sound will come. Slash t means what will do? Slash t means, slash t means, slash t means that is a tab will come. Tab will come. Slash f means what will come? That is a form feed will come. Form feed. N means what will come? That is a line feed. N means line feed. Okay. Next, slash R means that is a carriage return. Slash B means backspace. One letter you can backspace, deleted. Slash V means vertical space will come. Then backslash triple O. Triple O means that is the actual value will come. Identify. Then slash X H means what will come? That is a hexadecimal value you can identify. That is a H only you can print it. H only you can print it. So this is what is this? Escape sequence operator. This is a escape sequence operator. It is a graphics operators will come. Non-graphic operators will come. Graphic operator means what? Graphic means that is a new line means new line printed. Okay. Non-graphic means what? That is a bell sound is there. No. Bell sound is not printed. That is a non-graphic. That is a, these and all is not there. Just I will teach you. Okay. Okay. These and all Python operators there. Okay. Thank you, students.